All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor with 97,000 miles. Original charcoal gray from factory vehicle. Does have scratches, some minor scratches, some little chips here and there, and she does have 5 door dings. This was a detective vehicle from the city of San Bernardino, California. That is correct. This is a California vehicle, folks. She has no rust on her whatsoever. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is real ready to go anywhere. The body is nice and straight. Vehicle does have window tint, what appears to be a light shade all around. You can see right through. It's a nice color combination on this one. Vehicle doesn't have any holes on the body whatsoever. Vehicle does have a working backup camera. Vehicle does have a new police interceptor badge on the trunk lid, correction on the tailgate. That is new. Once again, folks, vehicle has been fully serviced. She doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, as I already have taken care of everything for you. I do invest a lot of money into the powertrain to make sure these cars are just about in almost perfect condition when they leave my house. And let me tell you, folks, I'm a pretty picky guy, and sometimes I'm replacing things just because. Folks, as you guys can see, the vehicle did come with the full wheel covers. Full wheel covers were removed, and I went ahead and went with the dog dishes. So you do have a nice new used set of Ford OEM chrome wheel caps. Vehicle did come with a nice set of tires from the department. Those are going to be the 245/55 18s by Goodyear Eagles RSA. I did not have to replace tires on this one, folks. Great looking car if you're looking for a vehicle for work or just to get you to point A through Z. This is it, folks. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that the front headlights were replaced with a nice used OEM set. The headlights that the vehicle came with, sorry, my phone is ringing, they were not looking good at all. They were oxidated and yellow, so I always tempt to have a set of headlights on standby. So I am giving you a nice used set over here, folks. Before I forget, folks, here on the front hood, there's a little mishap. Paint was peeling, so I went ahead and put touch-up paint right there. Okay, what you see is what you guys are gonna get. I had to make a decision. Do I put the money in the powertrain or do I put the money in paint? And I chose to go with the powertrain because I know that's what a lot of guys look for. They want to make sure their car is ready to go. That's the factory antenna. The paint does look nice and shiny, folks. My detail crew were able to bring her up back to life from what she was. All 4 steel wheels are nice and glossy. Still, I did not have to recondition these ones. These steel wheels. Let's go inside here, folks. I'm sorry, I'm falling off track here. As you guys can see, I do have a nice matching interior. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. Rear seat is in place. Vehicle does have carpet flooring with all 4 OEM carpet floor mats still in the vehicle. I'm surprised that he didn't steal those at the auction. All 4 door panels are in mint condition. They're not destroyed, not tore up, not broken. Driver's side seat is in nice shape, nice and comfortable. And so is the passenger side seat. Folks, as you guys can see in the center console, when I went to pick up the vehicle at the auction, they stole the console lid. Don't worry, I do have one coming. I bought it on eBay. It's in transit. Once I get it, I'll go ahead and install it, folks. And don't worry, I'm not gonna sell it like this, but I'll go ahead and take care of that for you. Steering wheel has a nice texture on it. Hunk does work. One little tear here in the carpet, no biggie, I can live with that. Sorry guys, I was trying to show the interior, but the camera keeps losing focus here. All right, let's get back in track. Vehicle did come with 2 keys, 1 working fob. Let's go ahead and fire her up. All right, here we go. Pressure lights are up. Let me clean this up here. I do apologize. Vehicle does have 97,000 miles and 1391 idle hours. There you guys have it. What you guys are seeing is what you guys are gonna get. Map lights do stay on when you open the door, so the blackout option is enabled on this vehicle, so it will light up when you hit the fob. Red LED does work. White LED. Super cool air conditioner, sunglasses right here, folks. This little door lid right here is kind of broken, so I went ahead and put Velcro on it so it can stay in place. That's old tape for some reason. All right, vehicle does have Bluetooth. All right, so you can go ahead and connect your phone through the car. Stereo does work. Backup camera engaging. There you guys have it. Everything does work. Vehicle does have working cruise control as well. It does work. I tried it. Everything does work in the vehicle, folks. All right, let's go to the trunk, show you what we got to work with, and then we're gonna go in the engine compartment and go through the services with you. I got a 10-second delay here. Jesus, I am sorry for the focusing here, autofocus on this camera. It does have a vault in the back with the key. All right, it comes with the key, so it does have 1 key. Nice rear deck here, rear deck cover. Vehicle does have a full spare tire kit in the trunk. Headliner is in perfect condition. Once again, this was a detective vehicle for the city of San Bernardino, California. Also, folks, before I forget, the vehicle does have the ballistic door panels in the front doors. Once again, bulletproof panels are in the front doors still. All right, here we go. One hand, bear with me here, folks. And here you guys have it. Let me focus real quick here. As you guys can see, my detail crew did an amazing job bringing this vehicle back to life to how she was. I will be listing some pictures on my eBay page from before, how the car looked before as to how she looks now. It's a day and night difference. All right, here we go. Vehicle does have brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Vehicle does have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Transmission was also serviced. I did go with Motorcraft LV. This is a drain and fill. It's right there, so that was taken care of. Vehicle appears to have a brand new motor mount from the department. Vehicle appears to have a coolant reservoir tank hose that is new. Folks, I also installed a new dry belt. The one that the vehicle came with, it was all cracked, full of cracks, dried, and getting ready to snap on you. So I caught it and I replaced it. Vehicle does have working factory HID lights, pretty bright at night, folks. These are pretty bright at night. Also, folks, the vehicle does have a brand new set of brakes on the front. Rear rotors were at 60%, so I went ahead and left those alone. I have also went ahead and installed 2 rear shocks for the rear on this particular unit, and I did go with the KYB Severe Duty. Okay, when I was driving the car from the auction, I noticed that the vehicle was doing this too much in the back. 1 shock was out, and the right thing to do is to replace both shocks at the same time. So yes, rear shocks, new KYB Severe Duty shocks. In the rear, vehicle does have a battery from the department. I did tested the battery. It tested good and healthy. It's got a date code of 423, so it's still good. It's holding. I didn't have to replace it, okay? Cabin filter was also replaced, and that is a Motorcraft cabin filter that was used in this unit. With that being said, suspension is nice and tight. No funny smells, no funny noises. Everything does work. Once again, vehicle does have minor tiny little scratches. It does have some 5-door dings. If you can see past those, you got yourself a great driving, performing vehicle right here, folks. Everything does work. I am still gonna be driving this car a little bit more just to make sure if something does come up, I will go ahead and fix it. The vehicle is not overheating at all. Very smooth, nice and quiet, and nice and fast. She's not a Charger, but she has a nice little pickup. All right, there you guys have it. Any questions, comments, please feel free to reach out to me. If you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. I'm not sure how long this vehicle will remain online, but if you see something you like, please call me. All right, another thing I wanted to share with you guys, my prices are going up, guys, on these vehicles. They're not cheap. They are selling for a pretty penny at the auction, and I got to bring them home and do a whole bring it back to life pretty much. My prices are going up on my parts. My labor has gone up. My detail crew went from $300 to $400 now. So I'm trying to keep the prices low for you. I'm not cutting any corners. I love what I do, don't get me wrong. But please, you know, just know that things are going up and these cars are not cheap. If you're looking for a cheap vehicle, I will tell you to go to the auction and try your luck there. All right, folks, once again, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a great week out there, and please be safe. God bless, and take care. Perfect timing. I'll have to move here out of the way. God, I don't even know where they park in their parking spot. All right, folks, thanks for watching. God bless and take care, okay?